Good afternoon, my name is Marta Vanessa Salami, and for the activity of this week, the technical data sheet, I choose the washing machine. Well, in the first page on top of the document, we can find the table of the contents. Under the description of the technical data sheets appear the application of the machine, and this part. The general construction data is under general performance data. The standards are between the general recruitments and technical assistance. And the technical assistance number is next to the website. The technical data sheet is a document summarizing the technical characteristics of the product. Well, this is my presentation. Thank you very much. Have a good night.